Are you guarding your eyes? Are you guarding your ears? We talked about gossip. You need to guard your ears, your mind to not gossip. To not watch content that you're not supposed to watch. And some of the content, mind you, it's not just X-rated content that we're talking about here or lustful content. It could be just news. I personally still have some content that I'm like, okay, this content, when I think about the content that I watch sometimes, I'm always evaluating my thoughts, my emotions. Okay, when I watch this, what did I start thinking about? Where did my brain start going to? Okay, what did I start feeling after I watched this content? Was I inspired? Was I drained? Was I exhausted? Was I tired? Was I energized? Was I happy? Those are the things that we should stop asking ourselves after watching different content. Those are the things that we need to start thinking about. Evaluate the content that we consume. What are you consuming? What are you allowing in your mind that you need to stop allowing, that you need to put a stop to, that you need to take and throw out? What is that? I'm going to help you to find what that is. Or the environments that we're in. It could be physical environments that we're in. It could be relationships that we're in. People that tell you things. Not every advice is good advice from different people. It could be people that are whispering in your ear, telling you different things, and putting ideas in your mind. Some of them are what you call monitoring spirits. Those spirits that are always monitoring to see, okay, where is this person going? Okay, is this person getting closer to Christ? Is this person succeeding in their pursuits in life? Okay, how do we stop it? And they're looking for ways to hinder you and stop you and block your blessings. So always think about that and keep in mind that those things are happening. Keep in mind, and your job is to guard your mind and use the weapons that Scripture is teaching us. And they're not weapons of this world. You're not going into a fight with anyone. You're not fighting, lifting up your fists to someone. You're not doing that. You're not taking out weapons of this world. You're not shouting and screaming at people. That is not what we're being called to do. That is not what we're being called to do.